IPEM International School and College welcomes you to Island classes. I am your English teacher Anupama Medley, and today we are going to learn the use of these and those. Now in my previous video you have seen the use of this and that. Now we use this for the things that is near us and has to be a one thing, like this marker. This is one, so we'll use this is a marker, and we'll use that for the things which is far from us, like fan, and has to be one thing. Okay, now these and those are used for more than one things. Like, look at this, lot of markers, more than one, so we'll say these are markers. Okay, and similarly when you stand on your balcony and you see lot of cars moving down, what will say? Those are cars. Okay, so let's start our class. We'll see at the first picture. Now again you have to be very careful of the pointer. Okay, this is a pointer. The things that are close to the pointer will use these, and the things that are far from the pointer we will use those for that. Okay, it has to be more than one. Now can you see how many ducks are there? 3 ducks. So what you'll use and is close to the pointer, we'll use these. So we'll write these are ducks. Now the next picture, see the pointer is here and the picture is far away. What are these? These are stars. So it is far from the picture, so we'll say those are stars. What will say? We'll say those are stars. Has to be more than one thing. See, lot of stars over there. So we'll say those are stars. Now coming to the third picture, this picture is close to the pointer, so we'll say these are hens. Is it clear? Now coming to the fourth picture, see the pointer and it's far away those trees. So we'll use those are trees. Now we'll come to the last picture. 1 cake, 2 cake, 3 cake, and it's close to the pointer. So what will say? These are cakes. These are cakes. So the concept is clear, children. Things that are close to us, we'll use these, and the things that are far away from us, we'll use those. Now recap. These are duck. What we are using? We are using these. In the next picture, the stars far away from us, so we'll use those. Next picture, these hens are close to us, we'll use these. The trees far away from us, we'll use those. Again, these cakes are near us, so we'll use these. I hope it's clear. Now see you in the next class. Thank you.